We're going hiking at the Bighorn. Let's see.
I hope it's only a mile. I don't care about coming back. I just worry about,
It's all downhill with that.
Trying to look for a butterfly, not a bee. Ooh, look at that. Pretty. And these are normal, but it's really pretty. Let's see. I'm trying to find a butterfly. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Trying to look for a butterfly, Mom.
Oh yeah, you give it to me in the rocks. I'm gonna make her a backpack.
Okay, you want help?
You gotta carry all this stuff in here.
No, we're not doing that.
Okay, let's see if we can find a butterfly. Mom, if you find have you guys found butterflies yet?
I think we're almost there.
Have you guys found butterflies yet?
Yes, they're all over.
Really?
Yeah. If you see them flying, and it looks like butter, it's a butterfly. Get it?
You're a dork. Mallory, have you seen a butterfly yet? Or pretty flowers?
No.
No, really? Can I see that purple flower? Oh, there's a butterfly. Where'd it go? Huh? Lost it. Oh, there it is. See it? Itsy bitsy. Oh, it flew away. Okay. Had to move on. There's my friends and family. Walking as fast as I can in boots. See, boots. Walking in boots. Sweating feet. Okay. Look at that.
She's like Dory speaking whale.
Let's see. Okay.
I'm alright. I don't know if she's alright.
Trees are growing. That's a Christmas tree to put in my room. That's a good one right there. It's a very good one. But we're hearing all kinds of weird things that we don't know. So yeah, we have to keep going. And then once we reach this moment, you can see more butterflies because they're crazy out here. Oh, here's some trees, guys. Are you gonna stick with me or are you gonna go with Dad? Ooh, look at that. White pine cones. As you heard, we are almost there, so. I know, there's some good Christmas trees out here. That one's all twisty. That one's kind of weird. Whoa, that one's ginormous. It's probably the biggest one. There's like cactus ones. If you were here hanging with us, you would think it's just the sights instead of looking at it on a camera. But it's amazing. This is a very long video, but there's so many beautiful things out in the wilderness and in the Bighorns. So we went past Jerk Mountain. Oh, that is the cutest ever. Maybe. What are you guys looking at?
It's a bear. Oh.
It's an elk track.
Elk track.
Right there.
It's an elk track. Real and super pretty. Elk track. So we'll find some elk soon, huh, Mary?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Where's our leading dog? Our dog's probably up here. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Go ruff, ruff, and he'll come.
Go loud again. Chase the elk away.
Okay. We'll be loud. See, pretty.
It looks like
I don't know. This is a really pretty area. Okay. There's another butterfly. Oh my goodness. We have some landslides. And Dad just pushed his daughter.
Are we gonna go yet? Because I'm tired of walking.
We're almost there.
So we're almost there. I'm gonna start. Ooh. Yeah, all of ours is, if you can see. Oh my goodness gracious. Those are adorable. Mary, look at those. Oh, there's a butterfly. Look at that boulder. I'm gonna stay in the shade for a little bit. Oh, Mary.
Why?
I don't know. I heard something.
I know. Dad, Mom, we just heard something.
Yeah, it's called the dog.
No, it wasn't the dog.
Maybe it's Bigfoot.
Are you videoing?
No?
Can I get camera, video camera?
Yes. Thank you. I want to be a drama girl. I could go, everybody dance now. Kind of get the music and sing it with that's exciting. Here's some pretty rocks. Oh, Mary. It's awesome out here, and so far I'm dying. We probably went about 1,000 miles, probably about 2 miles, but I mean, so far I think it's 3. But it's really interesting out here. Oh, come on, dog. We have a dog. It's not ours, but it's the Camp Bethel's. And so,
Uh-oh. My legs are tired.
all of ours is. Where's the dog? Where's the dog, Mom?
I don't know, he's around. We're almost there, guys. Let's go.
Oh, I'm going to die.
Oh, I gotta get a better grip myself.
Can I get a picture of Trevor?
Are you sure you're almost there?
Oh wait, upside down.
Mom!
What?
Hey, you.
I gotta get his boogers off.
Hey, baby. That helped. Oh, where's it? Oh, yay. Almost seemed.
Alright. Let's go. The dog's racing us. Come on. How's everybody going?
Good, but we're tired.
Guys, this is gonna be an uphill trail.
Oh, no. Let's take as good as a break as we can. Yeah. Dying already, and we're going up. We already went probably about a mile up the. Well, probably about a foot away from the hill. And yeah, so far I'm really tired. And I think we already passed 3 miles. We gotta reach the top. It's almost done. That's where the top is. Really? Is that where the top ends?
Where is everybody, Daddy?
We're right here. I've been waiting for like seconds for
There's
you.
our dog.
Doggy, we're going down. Where they do campfire?
Yeah, a place where you can do a campfire.
Ooh,
Hey, check it
look
out.
at those.
Oh my God.
Hey,
Yeah.
Huh. Oh, that is beautiful.
That's why we worked so hard.
Don't pick a Mallory.
What was that? It looks like an owl. Oh my gosh, it was huge.
can you fly away?
He was huge, yeah.
See up in the trees?
Yep.
There might be owls up here, guys.
We need to find some marshmallow sticks, Dad.
Let's wait for the dog. He's taking
Yeah, see, he's dying there. He's like he's having a baby.
Like he's having a baby.
That's wonderful.
He's in the same pain as you are, Mom, when you were pregnant.
He's having a baby.
Amy, you want to record? Oh my goodness, look at that.
Guys, come here.
It looks like a teepee.
Yeah, it is a teepee.
It looks like one.
Oh, look at this tree.
Guys, shush, quiet. Quiet, guys.
You hear that?
It's like a dog toy. Sounds like a dog toy.
No, it's Bigfoot.
No, it isn't. Bigfoot's just a myth.
Yeah. Totally a myth.
Come on, dog.
Hi, puppy. It's a good.
Dude, it's awesome up here.
Did you take a picture?
I'm recording now.
I think we're gonna build our house.
That's the hot woman.
A little bit of a highway up.
That'd be a heck of a view. Come on, dog.
It's a-
Hey, guys, let's head out.
Yay!
Dogs be fine.
No.
Did you take a picture of our reward scenery view?
Yeah.
Scenic view? Scenery.
Give me that. Give me that.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Why are you taking a picture of the ground? Here, take this.
I'm not taking a picture of it.
Here, take this.
Guys, okay, you've got to learn to know that this thing here is not a this, it's a boy.
Stop calling him a thing. He's a boy.
You guys think I'm not afraid to use it.
Amy should really be filling the birds. You got those shape ups.
Yeah, no kidding.
Did you get a picture of the award-winning scenic view there? I'll race you down. Mallory, kind of stay close to us, okay? As they run off into the wilderness. Wait! Are you taking a picture? Ow!
Cool thing is, if they just like run downhill, they should make it just fine.
Yeah. Mom, could you hold him? Okay, sure. Okay, yes. You betcha. Thanks for holding him. I let go of Daphne and she started going downhill. Dan, you want to take her? Are you videoing?
That'd be like a bobsled thing, huh?
Oh, that'd be more than a bobsled.
Hi, sissy. Hey,
She's like, Mom, who's got me?
say hi. Hey, over here. Say hi.
Bye.
Say hi.
Bye.
Hi.
I'm gonna go with
We going
this.
hiking?
I love you.
You hiking?
Bye.
Yeah. You're gonna be 2 in 2 weeks? Huh? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Hey.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Wave. Hey, look at me. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say it. Say bye-bye. Why aren't you saying bye-bye?
No.
You're on video. Come on. Bye-bye. Come on. Say it. Hurry up. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, that's good enough.